Oh my gosh, I should be using gloves. Hold on. Hey guys, it's Anissa. So in today's video, I know my hair looks a little different. If you're a subscriber, I know you probably can tell because I just bleached my roots. I also toned my hair. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I bleached my own roots at home by myself and toned my hair. And I'm not a hairstylist. Like, I have no type of license, didn't go to school for this. I just tried to do myself and that came out good. This is my second time doing it and it pretty much came out the exact same. So this time I decided to record it so I can show you guys because we have gotten so many questions about my hair color and how I got it to be this color. So I would call this like a medium ash blonde. It's not too light, not too dark. Ashy, not brassy, not yellow, because we're keeping it mellow. But I got art, okay? But yeah, so go ahead, keep on watching if you'd like to see me bleach my hair. Disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys what I did. So yeah, just gotta throw that out there. I have all the products listed down below. So you guys want to try it, everything's gonna be down below. So yeah, this is a long enough intro. Let's get into the video. This is my hair right now. I just washed it. It's freshly washed. There's no product in my hair. So it looks a little frizzier and a little dry, you know, but it's still defined. Don't try to play me. You can see all of my roots. They're grown out for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and bleach them. So I did this before and I actually tried to record it, but it was just a fail. Like I don't know, I couldn't film it. So this time I actually wanted to show you guys how I bleach my own hair at home. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to separate my hair into sections. So I have my hair clips right here, like you guys saw. Okay, so I sectioned my hair. You can see the back. I have this mirror right here so I can see the back of my head. Guys, I'm only one person and I don't have eyes in the back of my head. So the one thing I forgot to mention is you don't need them, but for me, I'm gonna use foils and I'm kind of ratchet, so I just use regular kitchen foil and like rip them into squares. Now I'm going to start mixing my product. This is the bleach I use. It's the Wella Blonde, it's the Wella Blonder bleach, as you guys saw in the little montage thing I did. And this is a really big tub I got from Amazon. Put on my little gloves I got. Okay, got my gloves. That was a little too close to me. Okay, so I got my gloves and then here's my parts. They're not perfect like I said, but they'll do. So I did 2 scoops of bleach and like I said, I'm not gonna do like perfect measurements or anything. I'm just gonna mix it till it gets a certain texture. And then here is my 20 volume developer. So I'm gonna start pouring that in. Now here we are, and I'm just gonna mix this up. Add a little bit more to make it a little more moist. It was too chunky. So I'm just gonna make sure there's no more like powder left in here. And even this, I think I can add some more. But yeah, if you guys want, there is a lot of videos on YouTube showing like the exact measurements you should do. And even on the tube, it shows the measurements, but I literally just like get the texture I want and call it a day. This is the texture I'm at right now. It's pretty thick, but not too crazy. Okay, I had to change my view a little bit so I could see. I'm gonna start back here and I'm going to use my comb and part at an angle. Just part out a little section that I start on. Okay, and I'm gonna get the rest of my hair. Ooh, it's making me sneeze. Sorry. I'm gonna get the rest of my hair and clip that away. I'm going to start weaving some hair out. Point of weaving some hair out is to get some hair bleached and some not, so you can add some dimension to your hair. See, I have some So you can see, like when I lift it up, you can see the parts that I weaved out and then the parts that I didn't. I'm gonna get my foil, put my comb on this and tuck it over it. Just so I can have like a sharper, ooh, it's loud. Just so I can have like a sharper piece of foil, I'm going to do this. I'm gonna put it underneath. Put it underneath the part I'm going to put bleach on, just like this, and then take the comb out. This is the part that is going to get bleached. I'm going to flatten it to my face. So since I'm doing closer to my face right now, I'm doing smaller sections. Like once I get to the back of my head, I'm not really gonna trip because like nobody really sees that anyway. And I'm not going all the way, I'm going to go all the way down to the blonde I already have, but I'm not going to paint over it just because I don't want to damage my hair even more. Make sure I get all of it. I have the whole part in bleach. I'm going to fold this up like so. Really cool. And then just, boop. There we go, did our first section. So now I'm just going to unclip this part and just repeat that same process. Part section. Alright, and then clip it away. I'm gonna weave hair out. If you feel like there's still too much hair in it, you can just go like this and just pick pieces of hair out of the part. If you feel like you put too much, so like here, I feel like there's too much in it, so it's not gonna be enough dimension. And I don't like to get it directly on my roots. See, I'm leaving like a little space between my roots and the foil, just because it can cause like hot roots. If you guys have seen that, it can cause your roots to turn like a weird like orangey color. So yeah, I just don't go directly on my roots. I just leave a little gap in between. And that's caused by the heat of your scalp will like heat up the bleach faster, so it'll bleach faster. And just fold it up. And it just like that. 2 sections done. Okay, so now I'm gonna speed through this section and I'll talk to you guys once I get to the other section. So I'll be right back. So now I'm taking out the foils I first put in. I already took out one, so I'm gonna take out another one. Because you can like feel the heat in them. I'm gonna start with from the bottom. Oh my gosh, you guys can't even see. I'm gonna switch that. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the bottom, start pulling these sections out. Ooh, on the top. Well, these are the like latest ones I did that I'm taking out. Let's see. I mean, yeah, it's not too bad though, but this went in too long. Take this foil out. Ow! Oh my gosh, it's so tangled. It's really like in my hair. It's stuck. Okay. Wow, we blonde. Good. Yellow. Not too brassy. My hair doesn't really get that brassy when I bleach it. It literally turns like yellowy, which I like. I don't want my hair to be brassy. Wow. Look crazy. Okay. Oh wait, is this one? Oh, this section is huge. See, like that's how you know my arms got tired. Because look how big this section is. That's not okay. It's kind of brassy right here. Okay, I'm gonna leave these other sections in longer because they're still kind of brassy. I'm gonna try to do this last section on the back of my head. Okay, so I just finished the last section in the back. So now I'm going to take out the rubber band I have in here. Take out these sections that I have on the side. So it should be good now. See? These sections are so much bigger than the other side. Like I was really like over it already, you know, wasn't in the back sections. That's so funny. Hopefully it looks good. What is this from? Oh, this one. Oh my goodness. Oh no, no, no. Oh no. Look at, I did so much more blonde on this side than this side. I have to for sure touch that up. So I'll actually do that right now. Because look how much blonde is right here. Not on this side. It's a no for me, dog. All right, you guys, so I just got out of the shower. Yeah, I have a towel on. Oh my gosh. So this is my hair is looking like it's looking real yellow. In the shower, first thing I did was wash out the bleach. So I used the Maui Moisture shampoo and agave. And it's important to literally like make sure you get all the bleach out of your hair because it's so drying and you do not want that left in your hair. Then I used a Fanola No Yellow Purple shampoo to help tone out the yellow. So it helped a little bit, but my hair is still very, very yellow, which is why I'm gonna tone it in a second, so stay tuned. Then I decided to use a hair mask because my hair was dry. My go-to mask, y'all know the deal, the Shea Moisture Protein Strengthen Restore Treatment Mask. Best mask ever. And then I used Garnier Fructis 1 Minute Hair Mask, but it's really just like a conditioner. So that's what I use in the shower. So now I'm gonna tone my hair so it's not as yellow. Wella Color Charm Demi Permanent Hair Color in 10 NA. Here it is. So this is the color I'm gonna use because last time I did it myself, I used, I think it was 8 something, but it was way too dark. Like it literally looked brown when I put it on my hair. And I was mad because I just spent like hours bleaching my hair for it to just look brown again. So I went to Sally Beauty and the lady told me that this was gonna be perfect for my hair color. So this is gonna help it look a little bit more ashy, not as yellow. So I have 2 packs of this. So I'm gonna mix this up. I'm gonna let my hair dry just a little bit. It doesn't have to be completely dry. I'm just gonna like make sure it's not like soaking wet. So I'm gonna let my hair dry a little bit and then I'll be back and show you guys how I tone my hair. All right, yes, I'm wearing a shirt backwards, but don't mind that. I just don't wanna get one of my white shirts too dirty. So now I'm gonna start doing the toner. And then you need the activating lotion. So it says use, so one part Color Charm and then 2 parts lotion. So just double up what you use with this. So last time I think I used the whole tube, so I'm just gonna use the whole tube. Alright, so here is my mixture. It's very watery, as you can see. Honestly, I'm not doing exact measurements. Like, I don't know. I'm just hoping for the best at this point. Oh my gosh, I should be using gloves. Hold on. All right, I have the toner all in. Now I'm gonna wait like 20 minutes, wait for it to develop, wash it out, and I'll be back. Okay guys, it's the next day. This is what my hair is looking like right now. I feel like that toner didn't really do anything because, as you can see, like the top of my head is lighter than the bottom, because this had a demi-permanent on it, which is taking forever to wash out, and then I just bleached this, so of course it's gonna be a little lighter, but I thought the toner was gonna make it darker. But it didn't. So this morning I went to Sally's. A different toner. I got the Wella 8A. So the lady said that this would help darken up a little bit. So I'm gonna try to use this. I'm just gonna brush it on and hope it darkens up my roots a little bit. But not too dark, just a little darker. Yeah, so here it is. I feel like it's gonna look really good. I'm gonna let it sit on for like 10 more minutes, wash it out, do my hair routine, diffuse it, all that, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished results. Okay guys, so now you guys saw how I did my hair. As you saw, I did struggle a little bit and I did have to go back in with another toner because the first one I used didn't really work. But now I'm happy I did, because now I know what toner to use. So next time when I touch up my roots again, I'm going to use the exact same toner because I'm in love with this color. Like, it's still blonde, it's ashy, not too light, not too dark. This is like the perfect color for me, I feel like. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below. Let me know if there's any other videos you would like to see from me, and if you're not subscribed already, go ahead, subscribe. Instagram's linked down below as well. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all of that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.